today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Framer so you can start creating cleaner and more engaging designs right away. Once you're inside your project dashboard, head into your workspace. This is your main design canvas where everything happens. When you're ready to add a shape, go to the top bar and click on the Insert menu. From there, select Elements and then choose Icons. This will open up a library of graphical elements you can use in your design. One great option is the FOSS 4 icon library, which includes a wide variety of shapes and icons. Simply browse the collection, pick the shape you like, and drag it straight onto your canvas. It works just like placing design elements in any graphic editor. Very intuitive and easy to control. Once your shape is on the canvas, you can fully customize it. Just select the shape and look over to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can change things like size, color, and overall styling so it fits perfectly with the rest of your design. And that's really all there is to it. Adding shapes in Framer is simple, fast, and gives you endless creative flexibility. Experiment with different styles, layouts, and colors to bring your design ideas to life. Thanks for watching and happy designing!